Okay, so the question asks, what is the definition of producer surplus? So the definition of producer surplus say that it is the difference between the price the firm is willing to accept and the price of the firm really accept, or the market price. So we know that at a given market, there will be a market price, probably we say P star. And also we know that there's a supply curve, it should be upward sloping. And at this given equivalent price, P star, we know that the total quantity the market would like to supply is Q star. Okay, so what do I mean by producer surplus? Let's think about the very first unit of the good. At the very first unit of goods, the marginal cost of the good is pretty low. So the price the firm is willing to accept is also very low. We probably mean this P1 here. Okay, so what is a producer surplus of this very first unit? It is the difference of this market price P star and the marginal cost of this first unit P1. So this is for the very first unit P star. P star minus P1 will be the producer surplus. And for the second unit, we have the same thing. The price the firm really accepts is P star, but the price the firm is willing to accept probably P2. Okay, so the difference will be the producer surplus of the second unit. And we can just do it the same way for every unit to Q star. So we know that on the graph, the producer surplus will be this large triangle here, right? So that is producer surplus. And let's think about if there's some price change. Here we have P star, right? If the market price increase, probably to this P prime here. If the market price increase, basically, we know that the total amount of goods produced in this market will also increase. Let's say Q prime here. And based on our definition of producer surplus, the price the firm is willing to accept is very low based on their supply curve, but the price the firm really accepts is P prime, right? So if the price of the market increase, the producer surplus will also increase, right? The same thing, if the price of the market decrease, the producer surplus of the market will decrease, right? So